Welcome to another beautiful day on this earth. Take these next 10 minutes to gift yourself a moment of internal connection to the energy within you. Let's begin today by taking a comfortable seated position, either on your mat or on the floor, legs crossed in front of you. Rest your hands gently in your lap. Relax your elbows. Now close your eyes and connect with your breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Let's welcome this beautiful new day that has come. Wake up to the feeling of being alive. Grateful to be here, to breathe, to feel, to be in the presence of sun, the moon and the earth. Again inhale. Exhale. Always inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth. Do this for 3 more times. Inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Breathing in peace, breathing in calm, breathing in love, joy, compassion. Breathe all the beautiful feelings and emotions. Feel the sensation of each breath you take. Notice how it supports your body and your life. This is so powerful. This is so rejuvenating. Your each breath is so powerful and so rejuvenating. Inhale, exhale. With each exhale, open your heart to gratitude. Thank you for being here and for taking this time to disconnect from external and reconnect with your own deeper inner world. Breathe in. Breathe in love and breathe out that you are not able to process. Allow yourself to let go deeper into this beautiful meditative state. Feel your body. Feel your mind. Simply let go of any thoughts or worries about the day. Just be present with your breath in this moment, in this life. Inhale deeply through your nose, very deep, deep. Now exhale through your mouth slowly. And it's okay if it makes sound when you exhale. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly, very slowly. Allow yourself to open to whatever comes through this meditation. And if your mind begins to wander to future plans or thoughts, gently guide it back with your breath. Again, inhale and exhale slowly. Keep on breathing. Keep on breathing deeply, deeper as you can. Let this day be a clean slate for your mind, for your being, for your thoughts, and for your actions. May this day bring peace and new opportunities for your growth, your renewable. Breathe in and welcome the energy that surrounds you. Feel the breath. Feel the moment and the energy all around you. Now, in this state of presence and calm, let us introduce a morning mantra to guide and welcome positive energy for the day ahead. This positive mantra is: today is a beautiful day of opportunity. I am exactly where I need to be. I open myself to the universe and trust in the unfolding of my life. Repeat this mantra in your mind. Simply use it if you find your thoughts drifting away. Keep on repeating this mantra with me. Today is a beautiful day of opportunity. I am exactly where I need to be. I open myself to the universe and trust in the unfolding of my life. If you are not able to repeat, just feel these words. These words are power-packed. If you can repeat, feel free to repeat this mantra as much as you like. Simply enjoy the stillness of this moment. Again, today is a beautiful day of opportunity. I am exactly where I need to be. I open myself to the universe and trust in the unfolding of my life. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply as you can inhale. Now exhale slowly, very slowly. Exhale every breath. Come back to your body, back to your mantra, back to yourself. Remember the mantra, today is a beautiful day of opportunity. I am exactly where I need to be. I open myself to the universe and trust in the unfolding of my life. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Feel the energy within you, radiating positive energy is there. Feel that energy. Peaceful light is guiding you and will guide you through the rest of your day. No matter how your day unfolds, remember this peaceful energy is always with you. You can reconnect to this anytime by simply sitting somewhere and by simply stilling your mind and taking a deep breath. This deep breath will activate this peaceful energy anytime, any moment where you want. This energy is always here by your side, one with you and the universe. Thank you for being here today, for reconnecting with yourself and the higher energy within you. From my heart to yours, Namaste.